respected my class in charge and my dear friend, first of all, a very wonderful good morning to all of you.
Very great morning, Chavi.
My name is Chavi. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of is matter around us pure is related to our subject science. So firstly, the question arises, what is matter? Anything that occupies space and has its some mass is called matter. Matter has two types, pure substance and mixture. Firstly, I will tell you about what is pure substance. It consists single type of particles which are same in their chemical properties. Now I will tell you about what is mixture. It is consists two or more particles. For example, lemonade is the mixture of three substances, lemon juice, water and sugar. Now I will tell you about pure substance type. Pure substance has two types, elements and compounds. Firstly, I will tell you about what is element. Pure substance which are made up of only one kind of atom is called element. Now I will tell you about what is mixture type. Mixture has two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Firstly, I will tell you about what is homogeneous mixture. It has uniform composition and different properties throughout. Its particles are not physically distinct and cannot be seen with naked eyes. For example, sugar in water. Now I will tell you about what is heterogeneous mixture. It has non-uniform composition and different parts having different properties throughout. Its particles are physically distinct and cannot be seen with naked eyes. For example, water in oil. Now I will tell you about elements type. Elements have three types, metals, non-metals and metalloids. Firstly, I will tell you about what is matter. Metals are the good conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are malleable. Metals are sonorous. Now I will tell you about what is non-metals. Non-metals are the very poor conductor of heat and electricity. Non-metals are non-malleable. Now I will tell you about what is metalloid. The elements that have intermediate between metals and non-metal is called metalloids. Now our next topic is solution. What is solution? A solution is a mixture of two or more substances. It is a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. Now the question arises, what is solute and what is solvent? So firstly, I will tell you what is solute. It is a substance in which added to solvent is called solute. It is present in less amount. For example, salt, sugar. Now I will tell you about what is solvent. Solvent, it is present in large amount. For example, water, etc. Now I will tell you about, there are six mainly type of solution. Aqueous solution, non-aqueous solution, homogeneous solution, saturated solution, unsaturated solution and tube solution. Firstly, I will tell you about what is saturated solution. A solution in which no more solute can be added at given temperature is called saturated solution. Now I will tell you about what is unsaturated solution. A solution in which more solute can be added at given temperature is called unsaturated solution. Now I will tell you about aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. Firstly, I will tell you about what is aqueous solution. In this solution, water is solvent and non-aqueous solution, in this solution, water is not solvent. Now I will tell you about what is tube solution. In this solution, size of particles is 10 raised to power minus 7 micrometer and 10 raised to power minus 9 micrometer. Its particles are physically distinct. Now I will tell you about what is colloidal solution. It is a heterogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Now our next topic is what is physical change and what is chemical change. So firstly, I will tell you about what is physical change. It is a substance in which new substance is not formed. For example, melting of ice and freezing of water. This process is reversible. Now I will tell you about what is chemical change. It is a substance in which new substance is formed. For example, rusting of iron and cooking of food. This process is reversible. So this is all about from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.